And now to really see the differences and compare those two versions that I made, let's go into our visualization tools. So go over here to visualization and let's add some materials. I always use my favorite environment, which is the gradient mood. And then go to our material. I'll just use an ABS material, use a white color, and then also move that over to the second one. And for the lid, let's use the glossy transparent polycarbonate and make it a bit more transparent. And then also use the same here for this lid. I just moved this model here over to the left. And in our properties, we can also go to the settings of our gradient mood environment. And let's change the background color to a little bit darker gray in order to let the plastic material pop a bit more. And maybe also increase the light intensity to make the contrast a bit stronger. So now that we have used history-based parametric modeling to create those two versions, let's do some housekeeping and I'll tell you some best practices.